Energy is one of the largest operational costs in manufacturing. Every machine and production line consumes energy, but turning that data into useful insights is often slow. What if you could simply ask your energy data and get insights instantly? With Itanta PTI, understanding energy usage becomes simple. Teams can ask questions and move from prompts to insights in seconds. For example, you can ask which machines consume the most energy and instantly see where the highest usage is happening. You can also ask, how does energy consumption compare across shifts? And quickly understand patterns across operations, helping teams spot opportunities for improvement. Itanta PTI also translates energy usage into business impact. Asking, what is the total energy cost for this production line, converts energy data into financial insights, supporting smarter cost decisions. And when trends matter, simply ask to show the hourly energy consumption trend and instantly visualize peaks, patterns, and unusual usage. With Itanta PTI, energy data is no longer just numbers, it becomes actionable intelligence that drives smarter operational decisions.